If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
We're going to plant spinach. Now spinach is a cool weather crop, daylight sensitive crop. We're in the front yard in our 200 square foot garden. We're going to plant 3 different varieties of spinach underneath this pine tree. Now this pine tree is going to act in 2 parameters here. One, it's going to shade the area so it doesn't get direct sunlight as it would if it was out in the open. So it's going to trick the plant thinking the days are a little shorter. And secondly, it's going to prevent the soil from moisture evaporating as much, kind of like a living mulch. But it will give partial shade to the spinach, which partial shade, these plants are tolerable of that. So we're going to plant red strawberry spinach. We're going to plant giant Nobel spinach. Both of these are daylight sensitive, heat sensitive, and they will go to bolt if you plant it too late in the year. Now you can plant it in the spring and in the fall. The advantage to the Malabar spinach, we can plant, it's a trellising spinach, so we're going to plant it up against the fence here, and it will trellis up, and it's not heat sensitive, it's heat tolerable, so we can get spinach all summer long. So we're going to get these planted here. I'm just going to take a marker here just so I know where my row is, and I'll start with the giant Nobel spinach. Now you can space this about every 1 to 2 inches. With the spinach, it takes about 45 days to reach maturity, about 1/4 inch, and I'm just doing about that 1 to 2 inch spacing here. And it's that easy. I'll plant another row in a little bit, and with this, and you can see the size of those seeds. These strawberry spinach, I want to go about 6 inches just between rows here. Notice I'm not tilling the soil. This soil was covered with mulch, pine needles and coffee grounds, and was not, we don't need to till it up. These are some onion chives that are coming up from many years of growth there. Now with this strawberry spinach, these seeds are extremely tiny, microscopically tiny. So that'll be enough for what I need to plant here. And I'm not going to be able to see where they're at. I'm just going to plant them all in the row, and that's going to be good. I'll mark that row. And all I'm going to do is just dust it over with some soil here. Not compressing it, just dusting it over. If you get more soil over it than a 1/2 inch, it's fine, not going to hurt anything. So now with this fence here, I've already dug a drill or a trench there. These seeds are somewhat larger in size. You can see they almost resemble okra seeds. That's kind of what the seed size looks like. So we're going to space these 1 inch apart. If you get more in there, it's fine. You can always thin out, or you can just let grow natural. It's not going to hurt anything. And I got 2 extra, so I'm just going to drop them in there. And then we'll just dust over these seeds here. Now what we can do is, since this is a cooler, drier, or cooler area that doesn't get a lot of sun exposure, we could mulch. And that's what I'm going to do, gently with some pine needles, just to hold a little bit of moisture in. Nothing too big. We don't want to compress or put a lot of layers on there because we want these seeds to germinate. Same thing back here with the climbing spinach. Just enough. And the pine needles are not going to make the soil acidic. They're going to take a long time to break down, so it's a really good mulch if you have it available. So spinach, we know how to get it in the ground in the spring, get it in the ground in the fall. The red Malabar can tolerate heat. Also, Swiss chard is a good alternative as well.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.